One of the things that makes Richmont different from other programs, we really focus a lot on your own personal and spiritual formation, knowing that who you are as a person influences who you will be as a counselor. We believe that when we care for our clients, it reflects something of the care of God for God's people, and that when we participate with God in that kind of redemptive work, it reflects something of God's love for the world.
I chose Richmont because of the integration program as well as the location. I really like the fact that this program can blend in my faith, and so that I can know how to not only use it in the counseling field, but even hone it in so that I can work with a multitude of people without feeling like I'm clashing with my beliefs and other people's beliefs.
Richmont graduates have a wonderful clinical skill set. They know how to integrate things. They do it all with love and quality care for their clientele, whether it's a Christian setting or a secular setting.